अच्छा वैसे नहीं था कि साहब Oh, his round one start from red corner Pramod, and we have Darshan S from the blue corner from 8 limbs. And team Akil with Pramod. So round one is going to start.
Easy, Pramod, easy.
Yeah, I'm like Darshan is crazy explosive. He's putting the pressure. He is that pushing forward. I like beautiful strikes from Darshan actually. He's putting pressure, he's moving forward, he's very open. Good guard. Pramod is actually countering back now. Pramod is trying to counter and answer all those punches. But Darshan is actually pressing forward and constantly throwing. That's pretty impressive from Darshan. But Pramod is actually doing good. He's opening the strikes now. I'm like, Darshan is actually aggressive, very aggressive. But Pramod need to answer them. Pramod needs to move forward to land those punches. But he cannot strike from out. And so, you can see Darshan is kind of slowed down now. All the energy is put out on the round one. I need Pramod needs to take advantage. He needs to push forward and start working. I think it's a accidental low blow. The fighter has 5 minutes to recover and he can use the entire 5 minutes. And round two. Beautiful cross by Pramod has been connected right now. Now Darshan is trying to. A good entertaining first run with all the fighters. A very decent round for first fight, I think, but Darshan has done pretty much good work. I'm like, he has put in a lot of work in first round. I think Pramod needs to come back in this round, you know, put some strikes on, put pressure on, you know. So we are back again. So round two is going to start. There's a good action from first round. Let's see how the round two goes. I need to Pramod. If Pramod can stop moving backward and try to hold the ground, more effective, okay. But Darshan is actually doing great work pressing forward and understanding. Darshan is actually doing a good work. He's understanding the range. Pramod needs to work on that thing. A beautiful cross by Pramod here. If Pramod can use, I think if Darshan can add some punches behind his kicks, I'm sorry, he can add some kicks behind his punches, that would be great, you know. Punch and then follow up with some good kicks. But now, a beautiful cross by Pramod. He's picking the pace up. Pramod is trying to get some strikes for himself. A beautiful cross by Pramod again. Like this is second groin shot, illegal blow in the round two. So it's gonna wear off the fighter, you know, taking those groin shots. Now, you know, how things go on, keep going. I mean, Darshan is starting from leg kicks again and again. Pramod needs to answer them back. Pramod is planned to answer them back. Pramod is answering his strikes a lot, but Darshan, on the other way around, is using a lot of leg kicks, which is a good toll. A beautiful strike exchange. Both the fighters are actually throwing and they're exchanging the punches. A beautiful flying knee attempt by Pramod. And a beautiful Superman punch by Pramod. Another head kick attempt by Darshan. Both the fighters are actually going for it. Pramod needs to answer those leg kicks. Pramod needs to answer those leg kicks. Pramod needs to go forward and start fighting because the fight is tending towards Darshan as if now. Beautiful knee again by Darshan. Last and final round. I think Pramod needs to put some action, needs to put forward pressure to get this round. Beautiful cross landed by Pramod there. Now Pramod is trying to press forward. A third groin kick in third round. I think I should revisit it once more.
ಇದು ಇದು ತರ್ಸಿದ್ರೆ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಗ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಬಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಗ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಬಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ bro, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿತ್ತು. ನಾನೇ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ. ನಾನೇ ಒಪ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಬಿತ್ತು, ಬಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಗ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಬಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ.
This bout is ruled out as a no contest.